Hello, my name is Bobby Wade, and I'm an associate professor at Kirkwood Community College in the Advanced Manufacturing and Robotics Technology program. This is the parent program to the Advanced Manufacturing and Welding Academy. I'm happy that you have shown interest in our academy experience, and this academy is very unique and a great opportunity for students. It's comprised of 2 different disciplines that allow opportunities for 3 different avenues of studies at the 2-year level. First, the opportunity for the students to achieve 17 college credits toward a 2-year degree in advanced manufacturing and robotics. Secondly, if the student so chooses, they can use 8 of the 17 credits toward an associate's degree in advanced welding. Thirdly, they can use 9 of the credits towards an associate's degree in the computer numeric control manufacturing field. All 3 programs are housed in the Industrial Technologies Building, Jones Hall on the Cedar Rapids main campus. Few things to expect from the academy level courses. First, students are expected to be professional when attending courses. Remember, you are not only representing your high school, but Kirkwood Community College. Some academies have very strict attendance policies due to the nature of the curriculum, and it's very difficult to make up any time missed. All classes are held Monday through Friday and are split. What that means is you have welding classes 2 or 3 days a week, and you may have machining classes, so they will alternate. Safety is paramount in our lab space, and students are expected to adhere to safety guidelines whenever they are in the lab spaces. Some examples of what may be expected: wearing a proper eye protection at all times while in the industrial environment, safety-toed shoes that cover the ankle and are ANSI approved. These can be steel or composite toes, and normally the first pair of safety glasses are supplied by Kirkwood. Safety equipment for the welding sections include long, non-frayed pants, long sleeve shirts. Hoodies are acceptable, but the drawstrings can present a fire hazard. Students will be supplied with a welding hood and gloves that are there to keep when they finish the courses. Other hand tools like pliers and wire brushes may also be provided. Third-party credentialing is a great benefit to this academy. Students will be given the opportunity to achieve at least 2 welding credentials through the American Welding Society and up to 3 machining credentials through the National Institute for Metalworking Skills. The AWS credentialing process is a practical assessment, and the NIMS credentialing process is a combination of practical and online assessment. Plenty of practice and review time is built into the curriculum. So now a little bit about each one of the courses. First is our newest course offering, Computer Integrated Manufacturing, or CIM. This is a 3-credit-hour course and introduces students to the world of programming and robotics. There are 3 main tasks. In the course, students will build a test bed that is structured to help the students learn how to program sensors, motors, lights, and switches to work within the VEX robotic system. Secondly, they will build and program an automated guided vehicle that will follow a line on the floor and perform several tasks described by the instructor. Usually things like pausing at an intersection, navigating around an obstacle, or stopping at an obstacle. The third and final project is a tiny factory where the students and teams design and build a program factory or automated cell to perform a task using the VEX robotic kits and flow arm articulated robotic arms through handshaking activities. This is a 16-week course. Second, CNC or computer numeric control milling operator. This is NIMS aligned, and in the course, students are introduced to the manufacturing world using CNC machines. This is an operator level course where the students will learn how to use machine control panel to produce machine parts that have been pre-programmed. Math skills and teamwork are a must for these courses. This course is an 8-week block and is a 3-credit-hour course. Thirdly, CNC or computer numeric control lathe operator. Again, 8-week block course and 3 credit hours. Students will be introduced to the operation of a CNC turning center using the same type of control used in the milling course. Fourth, virtual reality welding. This course is 1 credit hour, but it's very important for the students to get comfortable with positioning both with the body as well as welding gun before they go into the welding booth to actually weld. It's very much like a video game, and the students can choose the environment they are welding in. Fifth, Introduction to Welding Safety and Health of Welders. Also a 1 credit hour course. In this course, students will learn how to stay safe in the welding environment and will also complete an online course in Occupational Health and Safety, or OSHA 10, and receive the OSHA certificate. Sixth, Gas Metal Arc Welding Short Circuit Transfer. This course aligns with the AWS Sense 1 and is a 2 credit hour course. It's a very intensive course that covers many aspects of welding, and students are required to complete several welds in multiple positions in order to be successful. GMAW for short is a very popular welding process, and students will also be given the opportunity to pass the AWS certification test. Gas Metal Arc Welding Spray Transfer. This course aligns with the AWS Sense 1 and is also a 2 credit hours. much like the short circuit course, but students are introduced to the higher temperatures and different gas mixtures to achieve a much different type of weld. Again, students will be given the opportunity to achieve the AWS credential. Gas tungsten arcs welding, or GTAW for carbon steel. Also since level 1 and 2 credit hours. A little different than the previous welding courses, but still a very popular process for welding. The common name of this process is TIG, or tungsten inert gas, and is also very challenging. Again, the students are given the opportunity to achieve the AWS certification in this process. Kirkwood Community College prides itself on transfer opportunities for students, and we have a very good relationship with the 3 major colleges in Iowa. The 2-year program in Advanced Manufacturing and Robotics Technology has opportunities to transfer credits gained at the academy or the parent program to a 4-year institution to further your education and achieve a bachelor or even a master's degree in manufacturing technology. I appreciate your time and interest in our academies and programs at Kirkwood's Regional Centers and hope to see you on a tour of the main campus or even at one of our program conferences. Thanks again, and I hope you enjoy your time at Kirkwood.